Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through recovery mode. Now, I'll also mention that this process will remove a screen lock if you have one that you might not know the pattern, PIN, password, whatever it's set to. So, to get started, now assuming the device is locked, you can do it from the home screen by holding the power key and then selecting power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to hold the power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. And you will hear, or not hear, but feel a vibration once you hold it, at which point you can let go. And this will take you to the recovery mode. So from here you want to select wipe data, which is the middle option, using volume keys. As you can see, volume down goes down and up goes up. So let's select middle option right here, confirm it with power key, wipe all data, so power key, and then confirm, so volume down and power key. And this will begin basically removing all the data. Once it's finished, you should see data wipe successful, and from here simply start pressing power key, so back, reboot, and reboot to system, and this will continue the reset in the background, so it will take a little bit longer than it normally does, but once it's finished we should be greeted with the Android setup screen, and I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.